Hello everyone, welcome to my video blog, beauty blog. And today's I'm going to share is about the skincare. And I love skincare. First of all, before makeup, I have my skincare first before makeup all the time, every single day, every night and morning routine. So today is about the Clean It Zero. This is the one. This is a pads. It's like it's a toner, green pill toner pad. So I use it in the morning after I clean my face. A replacement of the toner and of the liquid toner, and still you can still add some essence after this. This is like to remove the sebum after you wash your face. And this is looks like, guys, it's a green. I love green. If you know, it's not open yet, so just imagine it. The pads, like I have those some like First Aid Beauty. I have those, so I'm almost done with those. I'm gonna replace with this one soon. So I'm giving you a review one day, or maybe get a video and how I use it and how I feel it. Okay, so this is my first time because I saw it has a good review, so I want to try this. And why not? If there's a good deals, I like to get it. I think I get it from Ulta Beauty and I have discount with this, so perfect. I like discount, don't you? I bet you do, but I know it really helps. Little discount, it helps on your budget. If you don't care about the discount, then you're good. Good approach for you. That okay? Just kidding. No, I'm just telling you. I always go on sales. If there's little discount, 10%, 15%, 20%, that's perfect discount. I can, get benefits. So why not? We have to look what's the good deals and what's the upcoming sales and upcoming sales of any stores. Then grab it and try it, and you can say maybe you thank me later. All right, so let me know if you use this, please. If you use this, please let me know how it works on you, so I'll be aware and I'll let you know how it works.